Hello. Yesterday we were, this task is done. We were computing the centroid of the levels, and we began making the positions relative to each level. Today I wanted to make the map mode to use the center of the levels. To do that, I will add, let me see. Yeah, let me see. Let's make an enumeration. Game mode. There will be at least 2 game mode: play and map. Perhaps, yeah, perhaps another secret game mode, but spoilers. And a global variable of that type will be initially play, and in the process function, that is the function that manages the input, we will let me see, we take care of the lost state. Lost state, cooldown, yeah, okay. Let's separate all this in a function play input. Let's check. Delta is not yeah, okay, we must pass the delta value, of course. Okay, by default we will be in play mode, but let's make this map input, and let's make, of course, the map input function that will use the same keys. Let me see, the same keys, yeah. Left, right, and up, down. The input system in Godot is very straightforward. Let me obviously this is not press. I was saying the input system of the Godot engine is very straightforward. You define in the project settings the input map, and I already added some inputs, custom inputs: move left, move right, and you can assign multiple keys to each one. Let's add the switch map mode, or perhaps enter map mode. Now let's use map mode. Yes, and assign some key. Let me see. Let's use the M key for now. You press the key, and you can assign also mouse button, joypad buttons, etc. It's very, very powerful. So let me see. Map input here. If input just pressed map mode, so if play this is a bit inelegant, but it is what is it. It's what it is. What happened? This will be more. Okay. Then let me see. Let's print the mode here. Let me see. If we press M, 1 0 1 0, and we have some. I was pressing the key in the editor. Okay, 1 and 0. It would be nice to have nice strings here. I don't know if enums have something like that. Let me see. Enum. If we put this, perhaps it will convert to the name. I don't know. No, it uses integer values. Okay, no problem. Okay. If there is something I discovered yesterday and wanted to show. Imagine you want to change something in the code that is not too big, and you don't want to restart the game. You can do it. It's very nice. Imagine, for example, I don't know, the twin effect, the animation effect between levels. I will, without exiting the game, we will go to this function and adjust something here. For example, the transition value. I save, and when I return to the game, that change is already there. It's very interesting. There are very few game engines that let you do this so seamlessly. Unity, I think in Unity you can change the code, but you must prepare we must set the editor in certain ways, I think, but I'm not sure. It's very nice to be able to change these kind of things. Of course, you also can change values here, for example, the movement time. But that I already knew, but I didn't know that you could change code, even in any almost any code you can change. For example, we could switch here the left and right keystrokes, and here, of course, of course you don't see it, but I just switch the left and right keys, which is not a very productive change, but never mind. Okay, what were we doing? Yeah, in the map input, let me check. Obviously, in the play mode, we can play. If I press M, we cannot can no longer play. If I press play again, okay, perfect. Now, in this section, we let me see. We could assign vector 3 and 0. Let me see. Let's use something simple. And let's use up for this and down for this, and position. Okay. Why? Yeah, I don't. Okay, let's see. We will switch to map mode. Okay, it's a bit slow, but it works. Let me add another variable here. Camera speed, and let's say 10 meters per second. And here, sorry. Yeah, movement times camera speed. Okay, there are too many levels. Okay, of course, if we press M again, we will continue playing in that level, and we just yeah, we just lost. Let me switch again. Yeah. Okay. What we must do is to first Yeah. Map input. Yeah, let's make an auxiliary function here. Yeah. Let's make switch map mode. Let's do this. And in game mode play, yeah, we will switch. We must find the nearest level to the camera and switch to that level. And if we change to map mode, we must yeah, let's make a twin. No, what happened? Let's make this same twin. The dangerous thing about copy pasting code is the indentation in Godot. Okay, let's see. We need a new position. Let me see. The camera normally is at position 100. Wow. It's very weird. Yeah. Field of view. If we change that, what happens? This is, why is the camera so far away? It's too far away. Okay, obviously this is not, sorry, this is not the remote view. Yes. No, this is, okay, the camera starts at 9 meters. Why is, okay, let me why? Because I changed the field of view. Okay, if I change it back, sorry. Okay, field of view, it was 25, I think, the value I was using. Yeah. Let me load a bit less levels, because okay, let's see. let's see. In the remote view, visuals, camera, 22 meters. If we move, it changes. Yeah. Okay. 27. Yeah, the values are approximately, yeah, depending on the size of the level, but it's approximately, yeah. Let's say, let's put an initial value of 50 to make an effect of zooming in. Remote camera 3, 25 meters, yeah. What's the, let me see. Adjust camera. New pose. 2.5. Distance. This change the position. Okay. Let's see. If the switch map mode, the new position must be the camera position. Vector 3, camera position. Let's use 50. A good. Let's use a parameter. Camera map distance. Map distance, and okay, and in this case, in this case we must, well, for now, we must place some level. Map mode. What happened? No, I'm doing sorry. This logic is here, and this logic is here. Okay, so we are playing. We changed to map mode, remove the camera, and if we switch back, we play this level. Perfect. Perfect. Now, obviously, we want to, this is a bit slow. It should be faster, I think. It should be faster and farther. Yeah, camera speed 50 and 100. And let's do something interesting. Print the frames per second, because I suspect that when you, okay, we are at 60 FPS. If we change to map mode, it's decent. Let's load more levels just to be sure, and put the camera farther away. Map mode. Map mode 62, 57. It's a bit irregular. Not so bad for an open source engine. Okay, 63, 57. This is a bit irregular. Let's restart the game. In the play mode, normally 60 FPS. Map mode. Oh, weird. Now it's much more regular. I think, yeah, perhaps the measurements are a bit arbitrary or a bit sporadic. Okay. In any case, we will not use distance so big. We could use. We will add later the zoom capability in the map mode, but for now this should be enough. Okay, let's do the proper switch. Instead of current level, yeah, let's make a function find nearest level. It will return an int, I think, for a level. Why not? Because current level is a level. Yeah. Okay. So for level in loaded levels, we need a distance. Let's return null for now. We need this variable will be float. It will be like the minimal distance to some level, and let's use. I don't think. No, I cannot. Let's search max float max value from no, we don't have the, because let me show you in the D language you have these things, the max and min of the different types. If you put float dot min exponent, min normal, these are the values of there are constants that depend on the mathematical library, I think, but okay, let's use a very big value, an impossibly big value. Or you know what? Let's use this old trick. Okay. Position, distance 2, level center. Now the autocomplete works. The other day this autocomplete did not work, but never mind. Okay, this is a float. Sorry. And if mean distance is negative or list is less than mean distance, list let's maintain Okay, I think this should be, this implies that the first time we make the comparison we will use the negative value. We could put here a very big number and remove this, but just to be safe, we will make it like this, because who knows how many levels will the game have in the future. So the distances could be very big. Okay, let's see. Of course, if we don't use the function, okay, play level. Let's see. We are in level 1. We can change levels like before with the keyboard, but this will not be available in the game. We will use the map mode. Let's see if we what? I think what's center? How was I computing? I was let me see, distance to camera position. Let's see, this camera position, distance to, this was defined as the center. This is this is a relative center. It's let me see, current level center. Because center is a relative. Okay, no matter. Let's use this, and this should work. Famous last words. This should work. Okay, Here it works. Here it works. Nice. Here works. Nice. Okay. Let's make a final change for today, and let's allow diagonal movement in the map. So here, instead of else, if or elif, let's use plus, 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 plus. So I think this should work. Let me see. Down. Nice. We are adding all the, and if I press left and right and down, it goes down. We can press left and right. I'm pressing now, and the map is not moving. And up, down. Perfect. Okay. What happens if we go very far? Yeah, it will return to the nearest level. Okay. Yeah, we should make wandering off impossible, but I don't know. There are players that are evil, I think, and will try to break the game, but yeah, we will put some kind of limit computed with the stitcher when we have a proper stitcher. Okay. I think it's a nice progress for now. And let's watch a solution to finish for now. These are random levels in the level library, so they are not sorted by difficulty yet. So this could be arbitrarily long, but in this case it was not. Okay, as always, please like the video, share it with your friends and other people that could enjoy this kind of content. Thanks.